Okay, so hello everyone. Very good evening, all of you. Let me know if I am live, if you are able to see me, if you are able to hear me, that if I am visible and audible to all of you. Okay, so finally I am live now. Waiting for your input. Please let me know if I am audible and visible to you. If my voice is clearly audible to you, right? Okay. So very good evening once again, all of you. Today's session is going to be one of the very important session because we are going to cover a lot of things here, even data interpretation. So totally around 30 questions we are going to cover from the topic percentage. Okay, so Maya Kanan is telling I am audible, not visible. So audible and visible both. And before we start the class, so happy Eid to everyone. So happy Eid to everyone. Okay, fine, all check done. Okay, then definitely today is going to be a very interesting and important session. We will wait for another 1 or 2 minutes, okay, so that other people will join. Very good. Okay, good evening, rowdy girl. Okay, now friends, before we start, so I just wanted to congratulate all the student got selected for right, so got selected for Deloitte. So there are many students who got selected for Deloitte, you can see. So Deloitte BSc result. So thank you sir for your support, and without your channel and this group I never got this job. So thank you so much. I really want to thank you for the support and guidance received from online study for you, right? So thank you so much sir, just because of you. So online study for you helped me in every stage how to prepare for written test, interview. They gave me clear guidance. It was a great experience. Whole team is very supportive. So friends, we definitely wanted to congratulate all of you. They got selected for Deloitte, right? So congratulations each and everyone. And now before we start with the session, so I just wanted to tell you friends, okay, so about myself. So I have 12 years of IT industry experience, because you should know who is teaching you and from where you are studying, right? So all those things should be very clear to you, right? Okay, so I have 12 plus years of IT industry experience. I have worked in Tata, Motorola, Nokia. I have 10 years of teaching experience. Ex central government employee, ex top Unacademy educator, Joe stock speaker, featured in G News and Times Square's New York, and awarded as best aptitude trainer. So my name is Pratik Srivastava, and I am also founder of online study for you, right? Okay, so shall we start the session now? Please comment. So please comment that shall we start with the session now. So we are done with the introduction. Please let me know if we can start with the session, because this is going to be a very interesting session for today. Come on guys. Now question number 1, we will start with the timer, and then we will see how many of you are able to solve, right? So as we were doing earlier, so we will be solving with the help of timer. Okay, now let us start. Question number 1. So this timer is not working, it seems. Okay, so timer started now. So after purchasing 2 copies of the same book, X sold them respectively at 0.8 and 1.4 times their cost price. What was the percentage gain earned or loss incurred by X? Okay, friends, I always tell you, don't take X and solve the question, right? So X in mathematics or X in real life, everywhere they create problem, man. So what you have to do always, so always when your options are in percentage, percentage is a very important topic. If you are not good at percentage, that means you are not good at profit and loss, right? So one percentage topic is dependent on many other these things. So profit and loss, data interpretation, simple compound interest. So percentage is basically John of complete mathematics, right? So I could say percentage is heart of mathematics. So you should be very good at this topic. That's the reason we are going to solve unlimited number of questions in our today's session. Okay, fine. So question number 1, your timer is done. So after purchasing 2 copies of the same book, X sold them respectively at 0.8 and 1.4 times. Now don't assume that the cost price of 1 copy is X rupees, right? So X or X always will create problem. Now, so copy one price, I assumed here 50 rupees. Sir, why you are assuming 50? Because as I have said, when your options are in terms of percentage, or if your options are in terms of ratio, then you can assume any value. Copy two, same price, right? So after purchasing two copies of same book, so same book you have, right? So the price will be same. Okay, now, and then they are telling X sold them respectively 0.8 and 1.4 times their cost price. So cost price of first book 50, cost price of second book 50. Now selling price. So first book we are selling at 0.8 of the price. So 50 into 0.8, 40. Second book we are selling at 1.4 times. So it will be nothing but 70. Now what is the total cost price? 100 rupees. And you sold at 110. So it is clear that 10 rupees profit. And when your base is 100, right? Always remember, when your base is 100, you can directly say, sir, 10% profit. Small things, lot of things we are going to teach you here. Okay. So friends, always remember, when your base is 100, right? So if 100 rupees is the cost price or anything, and if you are selling at 111.1111, now if somebody is asked what is the profit percentage, so if your base is 100, you can directly say, sir, the difference is 11.11, so it will become 11.11%. That's all. Very clear. The problem is very easy. Don't take X or X. Okay, your life will be screwed. Now what I am going to do, so I am going to change the data here. So this one is 0.6. okay, this one is 0.6 and this one is 1.2. And now you tell me the answer. Okay, so I have just changed the data. So after purchasing two copies, right? So stopwatch. Okay, now so timer, 1 minute timer is not working. Why? So okay, reset. Fine. So now please start. After purchasing two copies of same book, X sold them respectively at 0.6 times and 1.2 times their cost price. So what was the percentage gain, earned or loss incurred by X? Okay, now come on. So now you tell me the answer. 10 loss. So very good evening all of you. Neetu, very good evening. Sarji, yes, Neetu, very good evening. Okay, so you will definitely enjoy a lot in solving percentage problem, right? Okay, so fine, many of you, your classes are so useful to me. Thank you, Rowdy girl, your name is very good. Okay, now so let us see what I am going to do here. Many of you have given the answer 10% loss. Okay, now sir, the cost price of first book is 50 rupees I assumed, second price also 50. Now the first one is 0.6 times, so 0.6 times is nothing but 30 rupees and 1.2 is nothing but 60 rupees. You bought in 100 and sold in 90. Definitely there is a loss of 10 rupees. And if your base is 100, you can say, sir, there is a loss of 10%. And trust me, this is a TCS question. So you are solving a TCS previous year question. And now somebody can ask me, sir, what if I assume 100? My dear friends, you are free to assume any value, you will be getting same answer. Now selling price. So first one you are multiplying by 0.6, so it is 60, and second one you are multiplying by 1.2, so it is 120. Now total selling price 200 and total cost price 200 and total selling price is 180. So total cost price is 200 and selling price is 180. Then I said, if your base is 100, then you can easily answer. So please try to make it 100. So I divided by 2. So this is 100 and this is 90. Sir, there is 10% loss. Sir, there is 10% loss, which already we have told you. Clear for everyone? Very good. Most of you are able to give the answer. That's really nice. Prasad, Rahul, Ashok, right? Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Kya message khatam kar diya. 10% loss. 10% loss. Very good guys. Very good guys. So it's very good. Okay, now question number 2. So 4.5 is what percentage of, right? So what percentage of 1 by 5? A very simple question, right? A very simple question, but people will do the mistake here. Come on, quickly. I want you to solve it quickly. 4 by 5 is what percentage of 1 by 5? Okay, I will tell you. See, any question you get in exam, no, what you have to do, my dear friends. So you have to think from the basic perspective, right? So 4 by 5. So assume it is 40 here and assume it is 80 here. Then how you will solve, right? Then how you will solve? In the similar fashion, you have to do it. Okay, so we have to break down the problem and then we have to solve. Friends, one thing, if you are understanding the session, please like this session and also please comment. So if you will comment, then definitely I will do more and more session, right? So even if you're watching it later, please comment on this video so that I can bring more and more topics zero to hero. Okay, so please do like and also comment. Now if I ask you, so 40 is what percentage of 80, right? So 40 is what percent of 80. Now you will quickly say, if I will ask you 50 is what percent of 100. Now you see, you will quickly say, sir, it is 50%. See your dirty mind, right? Because you are easily able to calculate when this values is given. So sir, I have 50 rupees. So 50 is what percentage of 100? Sir, 50%. 40 is what percentage of 80? Sir, it is 50%, right? When I will say, sir, my course price is 1000 rupees and I am selling at 500. Sir, 50%. This you are able to calculate. Then why not this? Now, what you do here, my dear friends? So you write 50 by 100 because you need to calculate in percentage. So you multiply by 100. Sir, 50. 40 is what percentage of 80? So you write 40 divided by 80 into 100. Sir, 50%, right? See, so similar way you have to do it. So even any time in the exam, if you get stuck with something, please go with your basics. Please think that about this one and you will be easily able to solve. 5 will go up into 100. 5 and 5 cancelled. 400%. So option C will be the correct answer, right? So you just have to think in the exam. That's all. Nothing else has to be done, right? So very good. Many people have given the correct answer. Leave me alone. Bhuvan, Gokul, Ashok, right? Sankhadip, Gokul Sai, Rahul, Abhishek. Very good, man. So a lot of people are trying at least. So that is definitely, see, this is how you learn. When you try, you learn. Where are you from? See, I am from India. I am from India. I will not say where I am from. Okay. See, it's all, we all are, right, friend of each other. We all are in education now. There is no city. There is no place. There is, no particular, religion, nothing. In education, nothing is there. That's how a educated person is defined. Okay, now, so let us start. If cost price is 99 rupees and profit percentage is 11 by 9%. Then find out selling price. Now let's see how many of you are able to solve. I know many of you are going to do the mistake now. So if cost price is 99 rupees and profit percentage is 11 by 9%, then find out selling price. Sir, I don't remember the formula. You do not have to use the formula. Okay, don't worry. So you don't use the formula, use a very basic concept and then see, you will be easily able to solve. If cost price is 99 rupees and profit percentage is 11 by 9%, right? Okay. So come on, 110, very good, Erika. Leave me alone, 110, very good. Now your time is up and let us see how these things are interesting. You will really enjoy. So 1 by 9%, right? Okay. Now, so 11 into 9 is 99. 99 plus 100 by 9 percentage. The meaning of percentage will be 1 by 100. So if somebody says, what is the meaning of percentage? You have to tell, sir, percentage is equals to 1 by 100. So I wrote here 1 by 100. That's all, 0 and 0 cancelled, 1 by 9. So 1 by 9% is nothing but 1 by 9. Now you bought something in 99 rupees and you wanted to earn a profit of 11 1 by 9%. 99 rupees you bought, and how much profit you want? 11 1 by 9%, that is 1 by 9. So basically you want a profit of 11 rupees. Then at what price you should sell? 99 plus 11 is 110, and you will put here 110. That's all, you have got the answer. That's all, you have got the answer. Now Jana Kiran and Sanskriti is telling 80 and 88. How is it possible? You are buying at 99 rupees and you are selling at a profit, then you cannot get a value less than 99. So in maths, common sense is very much required, my dear friends. See, if you are buying in 99, selling with a profit, it will be always more than 99. Is it clear for everyone? Is it clear for everyone, my dear friends? See, if you don't know this kind of methods, then you will use selling price will be cost price into 100 plus percentage of profit and then divided by 100, and which is totally not. Somebody is telling, please explain once again. See what I said, 11 1 by 9%, right? Percentage is what? Please keep in mind, percentage is one part of 100. Percentage is 1 by 100. So 11 9 11 ja 99 plus 1, 100 by 9, and percentage will be equal to 1 by 100. So 11 1 by 9 percentage will be equal to 1 by 9. So this you can keep also in mind. So it will be 1 by 9. Okay. Now you bought something at 99 rupees and you wanted to gain a profit of 11 1 by 9%. 99 rupees and you want this much of profit. So this much of profit is nothing but 1 by 9. That means you want 11 rupees profit. So you sell at 99 plus 11, 110. Right? Please clear for everyone. Please comment below and also like the video, like the session, and comment also so that I can bring more and more session for you. Is it clear for everyone? Please let me know. Then now I will give you, if cost price is 128, okay, and profit percentage is, right, so 12 1 by 2 percentage, 12 1 by 2 percentage, right? Okay, so then tell me what will be the selling price. Now I have given a question to you, right? So cost price is 128, profit percentage is 12 1 by 2 percentage. Then you need to find out the selling price, and let's see who is able to solve it quickly. We have total 30 question to complete. Please do it little fast. So please do it little fast. The question will be of mixed concept or only percentage. So it will be only percentage, okay, wherever the percentage is used, because we are also going to solve data interpretation, we are going to touch mensuration, we are going to touch profit and loss, we are going to solve lot more problem. You will really enjoy a lot in this session, that's my guarantee. Okay, fine. Now, so if cost price is 128, then 12 1 by 2. So 12 1 by 2 is nothing but 25 by 2 percentage. And 25 by 2 percentage is 1 by 100. So 25 4 ja, it is 1 by 8. So cost price is 128. I want a profit of 12 1 by 2 percentage, that is nothing but 1 by 8. So this will be 16 times. That means the person should sell at 128 plus 16 is nothing but 144 rupees. Very good, Mansi, Avi, leave me alone, Arnav, Sanskriti, right? Arnav, very good guys. So you guys are able to solve. See, just the thing is, I need to open your eyes that, okay, this is how we do. And now few things which you have to keep in mind, that let us understand. One more time I am repeating. So percentage will be equal to 1 by 100. Don't say percentage is 100, okay, it is wrong. Percentage is one part of 100, my dear friends. Clear? Okay. Now, if somebody says, if you have 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is 50%, we know. But if someone says, please convert this in percentage, multiply by this 100. So it will be nothing but 50%. Okay. Now, if someone says 1 by 3, so 1 by 3 multiply with 100. So it is 33.33%. So few things please keep in mind. 1 by 2 is 50%. 1 by 3 is 33.3%, 1 by 4 is 25%, 1 by 5 is 20%, 1 by 6 16.67, 1 by 7 14.28, 1 by 8 12.5%, 1 by 9 11.11%, right? So if you have a fraction, if you have to convert it to percentage, just multiply by 100, it will give you percentage. Well, clear for everyone? Clear for everyone? Can you please like the session? Can you please like the session and also comment if it is clear, so we can move ahead with the next problem. Question number 4 is little easy problem. Okay, please solve. 30% of x minus y is equals to 18% of x plus y. Okay, then the ratio of x is to y is equals to, if the case selling price is 110 is given and profit provided in the same question, then how to find cost price? So what is the profit? So you have to find out in terms of, what is the profit percentage? If profit percentage is 1 by 8, right? So you have to go back. Selling price is equals to cost price into 100 plus percentage of profit by 100, right? So you have to go reverse in that case. If selling price is given, percentage of profit is given, then you have to go reverse back. That we will discuss in profit and loss. So our next session, if you guys are really interested, then please comment. Then our next session we can keep on profit and loss 0 to hero. Okay, fine. 4:1. Many people are telling 4:1. Now let us see if it is 4:1 or not. Your time is up now. So many of you have given the correct answer. Soumyadev, Krishna, don't comment multiple times. See, 30% of x minus y is equals to 18% of x plus y. Now, friends, left side percentage, right side percentage. Percentage and percentage will get cancelled. 6 3s are and 6 5s are. Now, 5x, now multiply 5x minus 5y will be equal to 3x plus 3y. So 2x will be equal to 8y. So x is to y will be equal to 4:1. This was one of the very simple question of today's class. So this was one of the very simple question for today's class. So here we need to learn that left side and right side. If we have the same thing, multiplication, then we can cancel it. Okay, then we can cancel it. So this was one of the easy problem for today. Now question number 5 is an interesting problem. So let us see how many of you are able to solve it, and your time starts now. So a student multiplied a number by 3 by 5 instead of 5 by 3. So what is the percentage error in the calculation? So this is one of the very good problem. So let us try and let us see how many of you are able to solve. Yeah, thank you, sir. And the next session be on profit and loss. So when everybody comments, then definitely the next session we will take on profit and loss. Don't forget to like the video and don't forget to comment even if you're watching later, so that we will have multiple 0 to hero sessions. Okay, a student multiplied a number by 3 by 5 instead of 5 by 3. So what is the percentage error in the calculation? Come on, don't take x, as I said you multiple times. Don't take x in real life and x in maths. It will always create problem. Okay, fine. So now it's time to reset. Okay, so now let us see. So basically a student had to multiply by 3 by 5, right? So the correct value. So a student had to multiply a number by 3 by 5, but he is a human, so he did a mistake, right? Okay, what he did, he multiplied by 5 by 3. They're asking what is the percentage error in the calculation. Now friends, please see. So as I said, if your options are given in terms of percentage, right? So your options are given in terms of percentage, right? Then you can assume any value. Now what value should I assume? So better if you assume a value which is divisible by 3 and 5. So a value which is divisible by 3 and 5 will be 15. Sir, I want to take 16. You take. Sir, I want to take x. You take. You want to take y. You take. Whatever you want, you take. But answer you will get, but this will start making the problem complicated. Okay, so what you have to do, so just take the LCM. So 15 will be divisible by both. Now see how interesting it is. So 5 3s is 15 and 3 5s is, student, multiplied a number by, okay, so there is small mistake actually. So basically he had to multiply it by, so this is the mistaken one, I'm sorry. So this is a mistaken one and this is the corrected one, right? Okay, so basically he had to multiply it by, a student multiplied a number by 3 by 5 instead of 5 by 3. So he had to multiply by 5 by 3, but he has multiplied by 3 by 5, no problem. So 9 and this is 25. That means the correct value was 25, but he had got 9 because he has done a mistake. So basically he had to get 25, but because of his mistake he is getting 9. You have to find out the error here. Now what I said, if your base is 100, if your base is 100, then the problem is very easy. Multiply 4 here and multiply 4 here. So this will be 100 and this will be 36. What is the mistake? Sir, 64. And when your base is 100, then you can directly say, sir, the mistake is 64%. That's all. Option D will be the correct answer here. Option D will be the correct answer here, 64%, without even taking, right, without even taking X and Y, we are able to solve it. Let me know if it is clear. So a student had to multiply by 5 by 3, but by mistake he multiplied by 3 by 5. So what we did, we took the LCM of 3 5, which is nothing but 15. We multiplied by 15. See, even you can multiply by 90, even you can multiply by 150. Keep in mind, if your values are bigger, then the calculation will be more. Now I multiplied by 15. So here I got 9. Here I got 25. So that means actually he had to get 25, but because of mistake he is getting 9. I have to calculate the percentage. I tried to make it 100. I multiplied by 4 here, So the mistake is 64%. Now please let me know if it is clear to everyone. If it is clear, please do like the session and comment if it is clear, then we can move to the next problem. Okay, now a student divided a number by 2 by 3 instead of multiplying 2 by 3. So you have to find out what is the percentage error in the calculation. Sir, please make video on data interpretation and elementary statistics. So Gambali Shurya, actually the problem is I'm running short of time because already TCS NQT crash course is going on where we are doing lot of things, right? So definitely on YouTube I am not getting much time to spend. So we are taking limited topics on YouTube, but in the TCS crash course already elementary statics 2 classes has been done. Okay, data interpretation already we have started doing it even in the groups, WhatsApp groups. So we are doing all these activities as part of TCS NQT crash course. Okay, now let us see how many of you are able to solve. We have another 14 seconds. Come on. A student divided a number by 2 by 3 instead of multiplying 2 by 3. So basically he had to multiply by 2 by 3, but he had divided it by 2 by 3. So you have to find out what is the mistake here. Okay, so your time is up now. Now see, so okay, so what is the correct thing? So a student had to multiply by 2 by 3, but what is the mistake he has done? He has divided by 2 by 3, right? Divided by 2 by 3. So divided by 2 by 3, you can also say, sir, divided by 2 by 3 means multiplied by 3 by 2. Both is same. Okay, now fine. So then what I will do? So now I am going to multiply with a value which is divisible by both 2 and 3. So it is LCM 6. It is LCM 6. Now this is 2 times and this is 3 times. Okay, fine. So the correct value is 4, but by mistake he has written the value as 9. Now you have to find out the percentage error here. Okay, fine. As I said, if you make it 100, if you make the base is 100, then it will be very easy for you to calculate. You can avoid the calculation. 4 into 5 is 100, 9 into 25 is 225. See, 25 into 10 is what? 250. So 25 into 9 is what? 25 into 10 minus 1. So 250 minus 25 it is nothing but 225. You can calculate in mind itself. So this is nothing but 125. When your base is 100, you can say, the percentage error in the calculation is 125%. 125%. And now please let me know if it is clear for all of you. So Sanskriti, Neetu, Niharika, very good. Ankan, Ashok, Soumyadeep, Soni, okay, Tanush Sharma, very good guys. Okay, so are you able to understand this, right? Clear for everyone? Clear for everyone, guys? Okay, so if it is clear, 77 people are currently watching now, and if it is clear, guys, please give a thumbs up, please give a like, so that I also get the same kind of excitement to teach you, right? Okay, now the question number 7. So question number 7 is definitely a question where basic concept is involved, right? So where basic concept is involved, and now let me see how many of you are able to solve it. Okay, so the question is A income. Okay, so A income is 25% more than, right, income of B. Income of B is how much percentage less than income of A? Very clear for everyone. Is it clear? Please comment, guys. See, I am continuously speaking, just asking you if it is clear for you or not. For typing, you are facing so much problem. Think about me. I am continuously now speaking from last 31 minutes, last half an hour. Okay, come on, please hit a like. Sir, are you doing coding parts of videos as well? Coding I don't do. Coding I don't do. For coding we have different teacher. So we have Upasna ma'am, we have Shruti ma'am, right? Okay, 20%. Many of you have given 20%. Very good. Let us see. So please try to understand the basic concept behind that. So A income is 25% more than B income. So A income, okay, now I assumed B is equals to 100. I'm keep repeating you, X in maths, okay, X in maths and X in real life. Both will bring problem in your life, okay. So don't assume X. So B, now the income of B is 100, A is 25% more, A will become 125. Now they are asking income of B is how much percentage less than the income of A. This particular line we need to understand. For some time you forget that there is percent. Okay, fine. Now income of B is how much less than A? So income of B is 25 less than A. Income of B is 25 less than A. Okay, now you read that there is a percentage. Okay, no problem. So income of B is how much percent less than income of A? So they are comparing with whom? They are comparing with A. So put A down. You have to calculate percentage. So multiply by 100. Now this is 5 and this will divide by 20 times. So 20% will become the correct answer. Is it clear? See, always remember whenever comparison happens. See, whenever Narendra Modi will come, right? See, I am not getting into politics. I just wanted to explain. So whenever Narendra Modi will talk about Rahul Gandhi or Congress, he will tell Congress is doing very bad, right? Congress is not good. So whomever Narendra Modi is comparing with Rahul Gandhi, then Rahul Gandhi he will keep down and Narendra Modi will keep himself up. When Rahul Gandhi is talking about Narendra Modi, he will tell Narendra Modi is not doing anything, Narendra Modi is waste, he will keep Narendra Modi down and he will keep himself up, right? So whenever there is a comparison happens, put that value down, you will be easily able to solve it. Clear? Very, very clear for everyone? Very, very clear for everyone? Ek like daba do yaar. Just hit a like if it is clear for you, right? Okay. Now, next question. So somebody is asking, sir, does this kind of question comes in TCS? Very good question. Now, so leave me alone. I wanted to tell you. So at the end of the session, we will solve the question which comes in TCS. Okay. So right now, what are we doing? So right now we are understanding the concept. So when we do TCS problem, it will become very easy for us to solve. Okay, clear? So at the end we will do TCS problem. Don't worry about it. Okay, fine. So if P is 50% more than Q, then Q is how much percentage less than P? Come on, Sony has told 33.33%. Arika, 33.33%. Come on. Okay, Ada, okay, is telling option D, option D. Okay, so you have another 9 seconds. Very good. 33.33%. Many of you are getting the correct answer. You are understanding the concepts. That's good. Okay, now, so P is 50% more than Q. So Q I assumed 100, then P will become 150, right? See, you can also do like this. If you don't want to keep a bigger value, so Q is 100, then P is 150, 52s and 53s. Okay, now what they are telling, Q is how much percent? Forget about percent. Q is how much less than P? Q is 50 less than P. Now Q is how much less than P? Q is getting compared with P. So 150 into 100, that is nothing but 3 times. So 1 by 3 is 33.33%, right? Okay. Here Q is how much less? 1. Getting compared with what? 3. 1 by 3 into 100. Sir, it is 33.33%. See, it's up to you. How can you minimize the calculation in the exam? That's where you are going to win the match. That's where you are going to crack any of the examination. Now question number 9. So question number 9, if income of A is 20% less than B, then income of B is how much percent more than A, right? Can you please like the video, guys? Can you please like the session and also let me know if it is clear, so that I can at least speak for 2 hours for you all. So today we will try to finish all 30 questions, data interpretation, profit and loss, difficult level of the question, each and everything we will do. See, I will make the session so easy that you will not feel that any of the problem was tough. Okay, so that's my guarantee. Don't worry about that. You keep liking the session and commenting so that I just get motivated. Okay, fine. Please repeat question number 8. Question number 8 will not be repeated now. It's easy. So Subham Biswas, you can watch it later, because already we are at question number 9. I am asking every time that if the question is not clear, please let me know there itself. Now, if income of A is 20% less than B, B income, sir, 100 I assumed, A is 20% less, A is 80. Very good. Then income of B is how much percent? Forget about percent. Okay. Then income of B is how much? 20. Compared with whom? A. 20 by 80 into 100. This kind of problems should not even take 25 seconds to solve, right? So option B, 25% is the correct answer, and this kind of problem should not even take, right? Should not even take 25 seconds to solve. Next question is interesting problem. So let me see how many of you are able to solve. Okay, come on. This problem is an interesting problem. If marks of Kejriwal is 33.33% less than Yogi, then marks of Yogi is how much percent more than that of Kejriwal? It's a good question, and let me see how many of you are able to solve it. Okay, so option B, C, 50%. Okay, very good. Some of you are already Tejasri, KGF, Prasad Babu, option C. Don't comment multiple times, my dear friends. Your answer will be same only. Okay, fine. Can you please like the video? Can you please like the session, guys? Okay, now if marks of Kejriwal is 33.33%. Now 33.33% will be equal to what? 1 by 3. Agreed? So 33.33% will be what? 1 by 3. Now let us see how smartly we can solve this. Don't assume X. X in maths, repeating, and X in real life. Both will screw you. So if marks of Kejriwal is 33.33% less than Yogi. So Yogi marks I am assuming as 6. Why 6, sir? See, I can assume any value because my options are in percentage. So my dear friends, I am free to assume any value if my options are in terms of percentage. Now sir, why 6? I have taken a smaller value which is divisible by 1 by 3. So Yogi marks I assumed as 6. Then Kejriwal, okay, 1 is 33.33. So 1 by 3 less. So 6 into 1 by 3 is nothing but 2, right? So it is 2 less. Then Kejriwal is what? 4, right? Kejriwal is 33.33% less. 33.33 means 1 by 3. 6 1 by 3 is 2. That means Kejriwal is 2 less than Yogi. That means Kejriwal is 4. Now, then marks of Yogi is how much percentage more than Kejriwal? Forget about percentage. So marks of Yogi is how much more? 2. And then marks of Yogi is getting compared with whom? Kejriwal. So 4 into 100. Sir, it is 50%, and this is the correct answer for this particular problem. And we have done it very smartly. We have done it very easily. This is not a simple problem. This is not a simple problem. In many of the exams, this kind of problem is getting asked, right? So in many of the exams, this kind of problems is getting asked. बहुत सारे एग्जाम्स में ऐसे क्वेश्चन आते हैं. You have to solve it with your common sense, right? With the techniques which I am teaching you. Please comment below if it is clear, and don't forget to like the session, man. We are putting a lot of effort for you. Please appreciate that effort. Okay, fine. Now, so if you'll see the solution, you will not be able to understand only what they have done in shortcut with lot of calculation. So this will be calculation which will be available on your website. Okay, so let us take marks as 90. You take 90, no, what is the problem? See, you can take 90, right? So you take 90. Somebody is telling, sir, take 90. Take whatever you want. When 91 by 3 is what? 91 by 3 was 30. So take 60 here. So what is the value less? Value less is 60, right? Okay, so sorry, it is 1 by 3, right? So 1 by 3 less 60, right? 60, and that's how you have to calculate, right? Okay, fine. Next. So any value you take, your answer is going to be same. Don't worry about that. Okay. So you will take 30 here. Then this value will be 60. Then 30 less and compare with 60 into 100. So any value you take, no problem, right? See, it doesn't matter what value you are taking. 90, 180, right? 1800, 18 lakhs, 18 crores. So it doesn't matter what value you take. Okay, Tanu Sharma. So 90 we took, 1 by 3 is 30. So 30, 90 minus 30 will be 60. Now, so what is the value less? Sir, it is 30. 30 is less, and then it is getting compared with Kejriwal 60. 60 into 100. So you will be getting same 50%. So Tanuj, is it clear? Is it clear for everyone? Please comment if it is clear for everyone. So please comment if it is clear for everyone. Then we can move to the next problem. So this is the solution on the website. Okay. Yes, Krishnapuram. Bhai, see, even one person attending the classes, single person also should be able to understand the concept here. So please let me know. Clear, sir. Very good. Okay, now. So next question is question number 11. It's a different type of problems now. I will give you the timer here and then I will explain you. So now basically we are moving to a totally difficult level of the problem, but we will solve in such a way that you will feel it was very, very easy. But these are not the easy problems. Okay, fine. So the price of sugar is increased by 25%. Then by how much percentage the consumption decreases so that the expenditure remains same? Okay. So are these the trolls? Okay. So you have any YouTube channel? So okay. Very good. 106 subscribers. doing a lot of funny videos. Okay, great. Come on. So come back to what we are doing. So let us come back to what we are doing. Okay. So time is up now, and now this I am going to explain you. Okay, before that friends, I just wanted to tell you about the live session which is planned. So you can see the live session here. Okay, so all the live session will be planned here on our live section. So just go to live section, and today we have this percentage, and then tomorrow we have 8 p.m. 8:15 p.m. we have the coding class, and also friends, this Saturday we have the test series. Okay, so don't miss. So test TCS NQT All India mock test Saturday 6 p.m. based on the foundation section, numerical ability, verbal ability, and reasoning ability. So live mock test we are going to conduct, and there is cash prize for the winner. So first winner will get 1,100 rupees, second winner 500 rupees, and third winner will be getting 500 rupees, right? Okay. And friends, one more thing which I wanted to tell you friends. So today the Deloitte result has come, right? So there are many students who has cleared, and you can see here, sir, Deloitte BSc result. Thank you so much for your support, and without your channel and this group, I never got this job. Thank you so much, and really I want to thank you for all the support and guidance received from online study for you. Thank you so much, sir. I just got job because of you. Online study for you helped me in every stage. So like this result we are giving, and that's where online study for you is quite different, because we work on a student and we are working for a student. Okay, so one more thing I wanted to tell you friends. So this WhatsApp group you are saying, right? So as part of TCS NQT crash course, because in TCS also we want to give lot of results, and we have created WhatsApp group where we are supporting a student for each and every queries. Few of the students are also part of the TCS crash course. They can also tell you how is the quality of the crash course, and we are doing Monday to Friday, right? So Monday to Friday live classes are there, Saturday test is there, and then Sunday we are having test series discussions, right? So we have given a lot of results in the past, and now also this is the timetable which you can see here. In this we are having the live session. So if you are really serious about cracking TCS exam, then I would recommend you to join TCS crash course, right? So now TCS exam might get postponed, so join it as soon as possible. I want you to crack the examination at any cost, right? Okay, so a lot of contents are there, and live classes, right? Test series, and everything is based on the latest pattern. You can go here and check, right? So all the live classes recording which is happening on daily basis, test series discussion, right? So you can go here, you can see, right? PDF files also we are providing, compound interest, installments based problem, reasoning classes, test series discussion. So all those things we are doing it for you. So get this crash course, and everything has been covered from very much basic to the advanced level, and it will definitely help you to crack. And we have the best educators, the best teachers at online study for you, which you all are aware. I myself have 12 years of IT industry experience and 10 plus years of teaching experience, and I am teaching aptitude and reasoning for all of you, right? So you can understand the level and the effort which online study for you is putting for you all. Now let us get back to the question. So the price of sugar is increased by 25%. Then by how much percentage the consumption decreases? Okay, so I will just start the timer. Friends, there is a PDF file with 500 plus question. That also is going to help you in your preparation. So from left and right, in the WhatsApp group, we are discussing lot of questions on daily basis, and that's the reason we are able to give the results, right? So lot of results in lot of sections, either it is Deloitte, Accenture, TCS, everywhere we have given the results, and we are giving the results, right? And this crash course of 999 rupees will help you for other examination as well. Okay, come on. So now the price of sugar, right? So the price of sugar is increased by 25%. Then by how much percentage the consumption decreases so that the expenditure remains same? Okay, now I will tell you the wonderful logic, okay, to solve this question. Don't worry. So based on this, you will be having the difficult problems. Okay, fine. Now your time is almost done. 20% is the correct answer. Very good. So if you go and see here, so slowly the level of the questions will start increasing. Okay, and then we will be having the commission based problem, we will be having data interpretation problem, lot of questions we are going to do today. Now, so the price of sugar is increased by 25%, then by how much percentage the consumption decreases so that the expenditure remains same? Now please understand the logic. Somebody is giving, so Manjula is giving formula, so decrease is equals to expenditure into constant, okay, R by 100 plus R into 100, right? Okay, answer. Very good, Manjula. So in my class, I will request you neither to use X nor formula. Okay, fine. Let us see. So if I ask you that the price of sugar is 10 rupees per kg, right? And you are consuming, you are eating 20 kg of sugar in a month. So what will be the total money you are going to spend? Sir, 200 rupees. This is clear for everyone, right? So basically 10 rupees per kg, right? 10 rupees per kg. So this is price, and you are consuming 20 kg per month. So the total, right? So the total expenditure is nothing but is 200 rupees, right? So I hope this is very, very clear to you. So price into consumption will be expenditure. Now, question says the price of sugar is increased by 25%. 25% is what? 25 by 100. It is nothing but 1 by 4. That means the price from 4 rupees, 4 plus 1, we are making it 5. The price is increased from 4 to 5 rupees. 25% means what? 25 by 100, 1 by 4. That means from 4, the price is getting increased by how many rupees? 1 rupees. It is becoming 5. Now, they are telling then by how much percentage the consumption decreases so that the expenditure remains same. They are telling expenditure should be same. Now, so what I will do, I will write 5 to 4 because I am going to make the expenditure same. So 4 to 5, the price has increased, right? So when the price will increase, then I will reduce my consumption. When I will reduce my consumption, then my expenditure will remain same. Earlier also I was spending 20 rupees. Now also I am spending 20 rupees only. Earlier I was getting 5 kg sugar. Now I will get 4 kg sugar because the price has been increased. So they are asking then by how much percentage the consumption should decrease. So earlier it was 5 kg and now it is 4 kg. Okay, fine. So the difference is 1 divided by 5 into 100. So now definitely 20%, right? 20% is the correct answer. Tell me if you got the concept or not. If you got the concept, then see, the price of a sugar is increased by 25%. All the things, short tricks I can put here. It is 25 by 100, 1 by 4. So from 4, the price is increasing to 5. So consumption I need to reduce 5 to 4. So the difference is 1 divided by 5 into 100. And 20% is the correct answer. That's all done. You will not be even taking 20 seconds to solve this problem. Now please let me know if it is clear to everyone. Okay. Also you could have done 5 to 4. So sir, earlier you had said make it 100. Make it 100. So 5 into 20 is 100. This is 80. You can directly say, sir, 20%. By 20% we need to reduce our consumption. There is no formula is required, right? There is no formula is required. There is nothing is required. If you understand the concept, then it is very, very easy. Okay, clear? Done? For everyone it should be clear. And if it is clear, भैया एक like तो बनता है. Please like the session, enjoy the session. I will also teach you in the same energy till the classes will be there. When I will feel that my energy is gone, my energy is your like of the video and comment. That's all. How consumption became 5 to 4. See, to make the expenditure same, because they are clearly telling expenditure should remain same. So if the price has been increased from 4 to 5, then the consumption I should make from 5 to 4. So that 4 into 5 is 20 and 5 into 4 is 20. So your expenditure remains same. So that's the reason the consumption we have written 5 to 4. You just have to write it. See, 4 to 5 you are writing price. Just change the value here. You write 5 to 4. That's all. Okay? Clear? अगर फिर से लाइक किया जाए सर तो अनलाइक हो जाएगा, तो फिर से लाइक करो, अनलाइक करो, फिर से लाइक कर दो, 3 बार कर दो. So do it 3 times, like, unlike and then like. Okay, fine. So if now I will mention, if you have not liked the video, please do like. Okay, now the next problem. So next problem, please try with the same concept. Why we can use 1 by 4 and 1 by 5. See, 1 by 4 and 1 by 5 you can use. Why are you making the problem complicated, Charlie? Always it is difficult to deal with fractions, right? You are telling, so 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. See, you tell me 4 plus 5 will be what value? And 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5 will be what? You will say, sir, 4 by 5 is 9. 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. Sir, I don't know. I need to calculate it, right? So always it is difficult to deal with fractions, decimals, right? Always it is easy to deal with the normal values, the plus signs. So that you have to understand. We need to make the problem easier, not complicated. Clear? Come on. So option D, Sony. So Sony, you are right. Option D seems to be the correct answer. Okay. Come on. Time is up, man. For what I am waiting. Time is up. You guys are not able to solve. Where is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 and 1 by 5? Charlie, चलो भाई solve करो इसको. Where is Charlie? I'm still waiting. Come on, Charlie. So the price of a rice is increased by 16 by 3 percentage, right? So 16 3s are 48 plus 2, 50 by 3. Percentage is 1 by 100. Sir, it is 1 by 6. Now, so the price of rice is increased by 16 2 by 3. Means earlier it was 6 and now it has become 7. So this is my price. Now, then by how much percentage the consumption decreases so that the expenditure remains same? We want to keep the expenditure same, sir. So what you do, you write here 7 to 6. Okay. So this will become my consumption. Now, so 7 to 6. Sir, what is the difference? Sir, the difference is 1. And from where it is decreasing? Earlier I was eating 7 kg of rice. Now I am eating, sir, 6 kg of rice. So I am eating 1 kg less. From where? 7 into 100. Sir, 1 by 7 is nothing but 7 14 is 98. So it will become 14 2 by 7%, sir. 100 into 7. So 14 times is 98. Sir, it is 7, 14, 2 will be the answer. Now, right? So now you understood that how easily, how easy we have made the problem, right? How easy we have made the problem. So if you are going with C, it is always easy to understand the logic and then you need to do it, right? So always you need to understand and then you will be able to do it easily. Fine? Okay, come on. So is it clear for everyone? Enjoying the session? It is going to be 1 hour and still there are many people who are with me. Thanks a lot. I should say thank you from bottom of my heart. Okay, now, so the length and breadth of a rectangle is increased by 10%. Find the percentage increase in its area. Come on. So length and breadth of a rectangle is increased by 10%. Find the percentage increase in its area. Come on. Do it. 21. Very good. So there are formulas also. There are basic concepts also. Whatever you want, you can use it, right? So both the method we will see. First of all, we need to learn about rectangle. So rectangle will be having length, right, length and breadth. Okay, so the property of rectangle is these two sides and these two sides will be equal. Okay, and area of rectangle will be length into breadth. Now please try to understand two methods I will tell you. This is the first method and here second method. Okay, now so first method says length I assumed 10, breadth I assumed 10, then area will become 100. Now they are telling, so this is my old one. Now new one, they are telling that if length and breadth is increased by 10%, 10% means 10% of 10 will be what? 1. So now if length is 11 and the breadth is 11, so 11 square is 121. Sir, it is 21 increment. When 100 is the base, then you can say, sir, 21% increment. Option A will become the correct answer, right? Okay, fine. Then, sir, second method, so it will be A plus B plus AB by 100, right? Okay. Now, if it is increased, then plus 10. If it is increased, then plus 10, right? And AB, so plus 10 into plus 10 divided by 100. If it is decreased, then we have to use minus. So 10 plus 10, 20, and 20 plus 1, 21. So 21%, right? So your answer will become 21%. So two methods I told you. Whichever method you are comfortable in the exam, you have to use it. Okay. Now, the next question is based on circle. If you have any doubt, yes, Ansi, correct. Very good, Ansi Jan. Now, so I told you two methods in the exam. Whichever method you are comfortable with, please go with that. Fine. Okay. Now, the radius of a circle is increased by 300%. Then its area will be increased by what percent, right? So this question we will see how many of you are able to solve. Very good. Many of you are solving, guys. So that's really interesting, because you are understanding and then you are doing it. Definitely you will do wonder in exam. There is no doubt. Okay. Okay, guys, come on. So, who has solved 1500? Sony, Ankan, 900. Soumyadeep, 1500. GSK Gaming, 1500. Okay. Fine, guys. So, now we will see your time is up. So, let us know few things about circle. So, circle, right? So circle will have radius r and area of circle will be equal to pi r square. Now again friends, whenever your options are given in terms of percentage, you can make the problem very easy. Okay. Now so area, old area, so pi r I have assumed 10. Okay, 10 into 10. I am going to make the problem easy for you. So in area I assumed the radius is nothing but 10. Okay, because I can assume any value. If my options are given in terms of percentage, my dear friends, trust me, I can assume any value. Now new they are telling, if the radius of circle is increased by 300%. So radius is 10, 300% will be what? 300 divided by 100. Sir, it is 30. So now radius will become increased by, right? So now radius will become increased by 30. So it is 40. So area is pi into 40 into 40, right? Okay. So this is 100 pi and this is 1600 pi. So what is the difference? Sir, the difference is 1500. If your 100 is the base, then the value and percentage both will be same. That I taught you in the beginning of this class, and the answer will become 1500 increase. 900 is the wrong answer, because I know many of you have taken this 30 into 30. Please understand the concept. Don't do this kind of mistakes in the examination. Clear for everyone? Done? Okay. Now next is question number 15. Please don't do this kind of mistakes in the exam, and It's again time to like the session. So we are at 99 likes. Please make it 100. So we are at 99 likes, and the one like is definitely going to be very important. So we are at 99 likes. Come on, make it 100. Fine. So each side of a square is increased by 17%, right? Okay. Then its area will be increased by what percentage? Clear? Okay. So each side of a square is increased by, so you can use the formula AB plus AB by 100. So Ansi has given the answer as C. Let's see how many of you are able to give the correct answer. Okay. So option C, option D. Each side of a square is increased by 17%. Then its area will be increased by what percentage? So Sony, very good. Your answer is correct. Sony, come on. Ansi, your answer is wrong. You have to check. Okay. Guys, please comment if you are able to understand each and every question. Can you please comment that yes sir, we are able to understand, we are enjoying the session now. So this problem you can do AB plus AB by 100, right? Okay. So if you'll see each side of a square, so a square, all the four sides will be equal, right? Okay. And what will be area of a square? A square, that is nothing but, side square, that is nothing but side into side. Okay. So you can use a formula A plus B plus AB by 100. 17 plus 17. Okay. So 17 plus 17 is 34, and still some value will get added. So option B will be correct answer, right? See, 34% no. Till here we have got 34. So we will be getting some more value. 28.9 no, 28.9 no. So 17 plus 17 plus 17 into 17 by 100. This part you do not have to do. 34 plus 17 square is 289 divided by 100. So 34 plus 2.89. But this was not required because in exam you have to use your brain, right? See, that common sense always should be there with you, right? So don't sell your common sense. In exam also you try to use it. It will make your life easier. Okay. So this part of the calculation was not required at all in this particular question. Next is cuboid. Length, breadth and height of a cuboid is increased by 10%. Find the percentage increase in its volume. Okay. So length, breadth, भैया समझ में आ रहा है या नहीं? Guys, please comment if the session is clear, able to understand. Please interact with me. I am talking to you guys. Okay. 33.1. Very good. So Ansi, okay. So Sahil, Ansi and Prithvi Raj. Very good. So they have given the correct answer. That's really wonderful. Leave me alone. छोड़ दिया भाई तुमको alone. Sarmishta Saha, yes sir, very good. Okay, Aditya, sir, we need break 5 minutes. Okay. See, I need 5 minutes of break, man. You don't need. So we can talk till then. Anyway. So if you have anything, we can talk till then. Okay. So now cuboid, right? So do you know what is the volume of cuboid? So cuboid volume is equals to length into breadth into height. Okay, fine. So length, breadth and height of a cuboid is increased by 10%. Now what I'm going to do, length I will assume 10, breadth 10, height 10. Sir, what is your problem? My dear friends, I have a very common problem, right? That whenever I see options in terms of percentage, I forget I have any x. I forget that there is a x in mathematics, right? So even I forget my x and I forget that there is x in mathematics, both I forget. So I assumed 10, 10, 10. So what was the old volume? So sir, 10 into 10 into 10, it is nothing but 1000. Now each length, breadth and height is increased by 10%. So sir, new new will be nothing but 11 into 11. So what is 11 cube? 11 cube, everyone know, 1331. Okay, sir, you said if it is 100, then it will be easy for tell you the percentage. No problem, make it 100, no, divided by 10, divided by 10. So this will become 100, and if we divide by 10, so one decimal will come here, 133.1. Sir, 33.1 value is coming. My dear friends, I told you, when your base is 100, then you can say 33.1%. So clear, option A is the correct answer for this. Clear, sir, but I don't have X. Good, you don't have X. So if you'll have X, then your present will be spoiled. Okay, so good if you don't have. Okay, now, so is this clear for everyone? Please comment that yes sir, clear. Sir, we are understanding till now, sir, the session is very good, we are enjoying. Okay, we are not, see, you should not take pressure and solve the question, right? So you should enjoy and then you should solve the question of maths. Fine. The price of iPhone 15 Pro Max is decreased by 10%. Again, reduced by 10%. Find the combined decrement in the total price. Okay, come on. Okay, guys. That's why my name is Leave Me Alone. I am depressed. Yes, sir. Good explanation. Thank you. Total number of vacancy. I made a video today on total number of vacancies. Please go and watch. So today I made one video. No, A plus B. Manjula, it will become complex. See, if you have three values, no, then what you have to do? So what you have to do, right? So if you have three values, so 10, 10, 10. Now you use AB plus AB by 100. So it will be 10 plus 10 plus 10 into 10 by 10. It is 21. Now this 10 and this 21 you have to use. So 21 plus 10 plus 21 into 10 by 100. So it will be 33.1%. I will always tell you, you go for the concept, don't go for the formulas and all. Can you please guys like the session if you have not liked it? If someone has not liked the session, can you please like it? Okay, now, so friends, what happened that we try to understand. So I will tell you the two methods here. So two method I will tell you, please try to understand. So suppose the first method is, so suppose the price was 100 rupees, right? Okay, now please try to understand. And if the price is decreased by 10%, so if there is any kind of decrease, if there is any kind of less, if there is any kind of loss in terms of percentage, okay, then what you do, subtract from 100 and divide by 100. Okay, so if the price of iPhone, so I assume the price is 100 rupees. Okay, now if it is decreased by 10%, subtract from 100, divide by 100. Again reduced by 10%, subtract from 100 and divide by 100. So 100 into 90 by 100 and 100 into 90 by 100. So it will be nothing but 81 rupees, right? So 100 you bought and you are selling at 81. So what is the combined decrement? So it is 19 rupees. When it is 100, you can say, sir, 19%, right? Sir, 19%. So option A will become the correct answer for this particular problem. Now, second method you see, so 10%, right? So 10% is 1 by 10, correct? Okay. So first time there is a decrement. From 10, it became 9. Second time also 10%, so 1 by 10. And decrement means 10, if you subtract 1, it will be 9. So it was 100 rupees, now multiply, and now it became 81. So what is the difference? 19 base is 100, sir 19%. So both the method is in front of you. Whichever you feel easy, you can use it in the exam. But please try to understand the concept now. Okay, please try to understand the concept, like how I am doing, right? In a similar way, you have to understand and do. Okay, next problem is a good problem. So now from question number 18, you will have problems which will be getting asked or will be asked in your examination. So you have 1 minute to solve. Come on. So you have 1 minute to solve. A worker earns rupees 2800 per week. If his per hour wage is increased by 20% and his working hour is decreased by 25%, then what will be the new wages? Again, I will solve it by two methods. You keep everything in the mind. In exam, you use whatever comes to your mind. Okay? Arun Kumar, what is the problem? Guys, let me know if it is clear. If anyone is having any doubt, please ask me. I will be happy to help you. Okay? I will be happy to help you if you have any doubt. Okay? So time is up now. Okay? So a worker earns rupees 2800 rupees per week. Okay, now. So please try to understand. Again, two method we will see. Okay, so one by one I will do now. So one thing which is very, very clear, right? So suppose if he is getting per hour wages, right? So suppose 10 rupees per hour he is getting wages and he is working for 20 hours, then total money he will be getting as 200 rupees, right? So this you understand. So 10 rupees per hour he will get. If he is working for 20 hours, then you should get 200 rupees. Now, so first method you see, so if his per hour wages is increased by 20%, 20% is 20 by 100, 20 by 100 means, sir, 1 by 5. So from 5, his wage is increased by 1, that is 6. Clear? Okay. And his working hour is decreased by 25%. 25% means, sir, 1 by 4. That means from 4, his working hour is decreased to 3. So decreased means 4 minus 1. Increased means 5 plus 1. Now, we have to multiply. So 5 4s are 20 and 6 3s are 18. Okay. So this is nothing but per hour wage, right? Okay. So this is nothing but per hour wage and this is nothing but his, increased wages, right? And this is nothing but hours, this is nothing but hours. So if you multiply, this will be nothing but total money. So total money is what? 2800, right? Okay. See here it is 20 unit is equals to 2840. That means 140. So here also we need to multiply by 140. So you will be getting 2520. Simple. You will be getting the answer option A. If you understand the concept, then it is very, very easy. Now, so suppose second method. So suppose his per hour wage was 10 rupees. Now it is increased by 20%, means 12. And this, his working hours was 10 and now it is decreased by 25%. So it is 7.5. So this is 100 and this is nothing but 12 7 84 plus this 90. So this is nothing but earlier workers earning. So it is nothing but equal to 2800, right? It is nothing but equal to 2800. It is nothing but 28 times. So this also will be 28 times. So it is 2520. So whatever method you want to use, you use it, my dear friends. No problem. Always you will be getting time, always you will be getting to solve the problem in the examination, and that's all you are done with. So option A will be the correct answer. My main motive to take these classes is to learn the short tricks to do this in seconds, which I am learning from you, sir. Ansi, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद आपका. So you are trusting online study for you. You are trusting Pratik sir, and definitely I will give my best for all of you. Whatever I know, I will tell you. And trust me, you guys now knows equal to me. So whatever I know, now you guys know equal to me. Okay. Is it clear for everyone? Done? भैया कमेंट कर दो सर क्लियर है, समझ में आ रहा है, आ गया समझ में, बार बार रिपीट मत करो. Is it clear for everyone so that we can move to the next problem? Are you guys not commenting or comment is not reaching to me? Okay, anyway, now next problem is in front of you. The price of rice is reduced by 20%. A person initially purchased 160 kg rice. How much kg of rice he can purchase now in same amount? Okay, so price of rice is reduced by 20%. A person initially purchased 160 kg of rice. How much kg of rice he can purchase now in the same amount? Okay, आ गया समझ में, बहुत अच्छा, बधाई हो. Clear sir, classes was really interesting. Hey trolls, now also classes is going on, man. So was, you are in past tense. Okay, not reaching to you, I am commenting. पहुंच गया मेरे पास नीतू जी. So not reaching to you, आ गया अभी. Sir, if TCS exam postponed, in which month it will be there? So today I made one video, guys. See, ask the question which has not been covered. So if you go to the channel, right? So if you go to our channel and if you see here, right? So TCS total number of vacancy and exam postponed. So this will give you the clear idea. So please go and watch that video today. Okay. So fine. Now price of a rice is reduced by 20%. A person initially purchased. Okay, anyway, so same concept we will use. 20% is what? Bhaiya sir, 20 by 100, that means 1 by 5. That means price of reduced is rice is reduced from 5 rupees, it has become 4. Okay, now sir, they are telling how much kg of rice he can purchase now in the same amount. Sir, here also they are telling expenditure is same only, sir. So if expenditure is same, then sir, we will have to do something here. So we'll have to write 4 to 5. Then my consumption was earlier 4 kg and now it is 5 kg. So that my expenditure will remains same, sir. Clear? Same thing, whatever we have done it earlier. They're telling a person initially purchased 160 kg of rice. That means 4 unit is equals to 160. Sir, 1 unit is equals to 40, right? 1 unit is 40. So now he is buying 5 kg and 1 unit is 40. So it is nothing but 200. It is nothing but 200. So 200 will be the correct one. Or what you can do, sir, 160 kg he is able to purchase earlier, right? Okay. So 160 unit, which is nothing but equal to 4 unit, and we have to calculate now 5 unit price. So it is 40 into 5, it will be nothing but 200. Don't get confused. Whatever you think, okay, whichever you understand, do that only in the examination. Now it is clear. So 200 kg is the correct answer. See, don't use the logic 80 to 160, 100 to 200. Please don't use this logic, because we are going to solve. These are the problems, okay? These are the complicated problems. This we are going to solve. So I am making the base for you now. So please, whatever I am telling, understand that it's easy, and the same concept. See, friends, see what is the difference between a teacher and a student, I will tell you. So when teacher teaches something, no, when I teach something, so I will tell you one method, okay? And that method, you know, because I have solved all the problems, so I know this method will be used throughout the problems, okay? Used throughout the complete percentage profit and loss. So when we are dealing with the difficult problems also, we will not change our method. Being a student, what you will do? So you will do 80 is equals to 160, 100, 200. When you reach this problem, again you will change your approach. And when you are not constant with your approach, then you will not be able to learn the topics, right? So that's the reason I said So that is a difference between a teacher and a student, right? So please learn what I am telling to you. Okay, now so again the timer, sorry, where the timer went, man? The timer crashed. It is crashed, man. So the timer is crashed. Just a minute. Ayo, where is the timer went? Crashed or what? So Google Chrome is gone. Let me quit it and again open it. Just a minute. Google Chrome. Ayo. So Google Chrome is telling no, you can't use me. Okay. Google Chrome gone. I think it's been a long time. Okay, now no problem. So now timer is gone. My Google Chrome is not working. It's okay, fine. So now price of sugar is increased by 200%. A person initially purchased 60 kg pulse. How much kg of sugar he can purchase now in the same amount? 20%. Arey bhaiya, it is 1 by 5. 5 means what? Sir, it is 5 to 6. It is increased by 1. 5 to 6. This is my price. Sir, they are telling you same amount. Oh my god. The expenditure is same. That means from 6 you have to come to the 5. Now, so a person initially was able to buy 60 kg pulse, right? Okay. 60 is equals to 6 because now he is able to buy 6. And we have to find out the price of 5 unit. So this is 10 into 5. It is nothing but 50 kg. Option D is the correct answer. Solve the problem in seconds. Now question number 21. So when the price of sugar decreased, okay, so when the price of sugar decreased by 10%, a man could buy 1 kg more for 270. Then the original price of the sugar per kg is. So come on, now please try to solve this. So now please try to solve this. Okay. So can you please like the video, guys? Thank you, Charlie bhai. Sir, you were too good. So when the price of sugar decreased by 10%. So what is the meaning of 10%? Sir, 10 by 100. Okay. 10 by 100 means 1 by 10. That means from 10, the price has become 9 rupees. When the price of sugar decreases by 10%. So from 10, the price has become 9. Now, this is my price. So what will be in consumption, my dear friends? Sir, consumption will increase. It will become 9 to 10 rupees, right? When the price, see, suppose pizza is there, right? So pizza earlier was in 100 rupees. So you were buying 1 pizza. Now the price of pizza is decreased to 50 rupees. Then how many pizza you will buy? Sir, 2 pizza. Your consumption will increase because price, money you have to keep same, right? So your consumption will increase, but your price will be same. Sir, I love pizza, so I will eat 2 pizza now. Clear? Now, so what they are telling, so see, earlier you were buying 9 kg, now you will buy 10 kg. So a man could buy 1 kg more for 270. Then the original price of the sugar per kg, right? So earlier how many kg he was buying? 9 kg. And now how many is buying? 10 kg, right? And price is what? 270. So earlier he was buying 270 by 9. That means earlier the price was 30 rupees and now the price is 27 rupees. So that's the reason I am able to buy 1 kg more. They're asking original price. Sir, original price is 30 rupees. Option B is the correct answer. And let me know if it is clear. This is one of the difficult problem which you can find in percentage. Okay, so you can find in percentage. So it is one of the difficult problem. You will see like these solutions where X will be there, X in maths, and X in life, both creates problem. History will tell you, it's not only me, history will tell you that these people will not leave you if you'll take X, or if you'll take X, right, the problems will be there. Please comment if it is clear for everyone, so we can move to the next problem, which is question number 22. Okay, like the video if you have not yet liked, otherwise I will tell you the wrong solution. So if you will not like the video, then I will tell you the wrong solution. Then I will tell you the wrong solution. Okay, so like the video if you have not liked, otherwise I will tell you the wrong solution. That's all. Enjoy. Okay, so my laptop is almost hanged. In the vast open resources, it took me a lot of time to find a gem like you in teaching tricks, but however I finally found you and learning from you. Thank you for everything, sir. अरे भैया रुला दोगे क्या? So I could see the "it's for us" comment, and I'm very emotional because you guys are literally able to utilize, right, your time. So that's the main thing for me. Now if the price of rice is decreased by 20%, sir, 20% is 20 by 100, that means 1 by 5. That means, sir, the price was 5 and now it is decreased by 1, so it is 4. Sir, this is my price. Okay, what about your consumption? Sir, consumption it will be 4 to 5 only, because I want to keep my expenditure same. Okay, done. Very good. Now, so a person can buy 2 kg more rice for 360, right? Okay, see, earlier he was buying 4 kg, now 5 kg, so basically 1 kg. Okay, but in the question they are telling, now person is able to buy 2 kg, so 1 unit is equals to 2 kg. That means earlier he was buying 8 kg, okay, and now he is buying 10 kg. Fine. Okay, price is same 360. So in 360 rupees, earlier he was buying 8 kg, so that time what was the price? Sir, 45 rupees. And now, so in 360 rupees, how much he is buying? Sir, 10 kg, so it is 36 rupees. I gone, the problem is done. Option A is the answer. That's all. So not even 30 seconds you are going to take to deal with this kind of problem. Trust me. Okay, this will make your problem very, very easy. All these kind of problems you will be solving faster than others. Okay, सही है, very good. So Prithvi Raj, Ankan, Shaurendu, okay, Krishnapuram, very good. So you guys are able to solve. Now the next problem, भैया I am not able to start my Google Chrome, and my laptop is hanged now. Somehow the session is going on with God grace. Very good. So question number 23, come on. So question number 23, a shopkeeper has certain length of wire. Sir, now you will take X, sir. Now you will take X, because option is not there in the terms of percentage. Now we will see how you don't take X. Okay, so now also I will tell you. Okay, without taking X also we will try. So suppose the length of the wire, is 100. Okay, now 10% of the wire is stolen. 10% is stolen, right? 10% is what? 10. I'm not worried about that, gone. So what is there with me? Sir, 10% is gone, then we have 90%, means 90 is there. Okay, fine. 10% is stolen, somebody took, went, forget about him, man, leave him. Okay, now 90% is there. Now 70% of the remaining was sold out. So I have 90, 70% is sold out. Okay, 70% is sold out. Then how much I have? I have 30%, right? Okay, now they are telling find the original length of the wire is 810 meter is left. So this is left with us, and which is nothing but equal to 810. So done. So 27 unit is equals to 810. So 1 unit will be equal to, sir, 810 by 27. They are asking original length, which is 100. So sir, 100 unit will be what? 100 unit means I multiply by 100. No. What, man? All these small things I should teach you. So it is, sir, 3000. That's all done. Option D. So even without using X, only with your present, you can solve the question, right? Okay. Is it clear for everyone? Is it clear for everyone? If you are clear, then hit a like. Daba ke ek like if you have not liked. Okay? And then we can move to the next problem. And also let me know in the comment section, guys, if it is clear to you. Come on. Tell me if it is clear to you. Then you can solve question number 24. So in library, 20% of the books are in Hindi, 50% of the remaining in English, and 30% of the remaining are in French, and rest 6,300 books are in regional language. Then find the number of books in the library. भाई बहनों, एक बार comment कर दो if it is clear to you. See, I am continuously speaking from 1 hour 36 minutes now, and you are not even able to comment that you are able to understand or not. In a library, 20% of the books are in Hindi. Total number of books, sir, total number of books is 100. Okay, fine. 20% of the books are in Hindi. So sir, 20% of this 100 will be nothing but 20. So sir, 20 Hindi books. Very good. Okay. Now, so 80 books are the other books. 50% of the remaining in English. So now we have 80 books. So 50% of 80 will be 40. Sir, 40 is in English. Okay, fine. Now how many books you have? So sir, 40 books I have. Because out of 80, 40 is in English. So 40 will be in different language. Now, and 30% of the remaining are in French. So we have 40, 30% in the French. So 30% if you calculate, sir, 12 books are in the French. Okay. Now, so what are the remaining books? Sir, 40 minus 12, that is 28 books. Okay. So 28 is the remaining books, but they are telling rest 6,300 books are in the regional language. So 28 unit is equals to 6,300. So 1 unit is 6,300 divided by 28. Then they are asking find the total number of books in library. Total number of books is 100. So sir, 7 4 ja, 7 9 ja, and 4 25 times. 25 into 9 is 225, and we'll go with 20. Sir, option B will be the correct answer. So for question number 24, option B is the correct answer. So toxic Swaraj, these are giving us the immense value before TCS. Thanks sir, thanks a lot. Toxic Swaraj, नाम तो अच्छा रख लेते यार. See, so you have so good name Swaraj. Before that, you put untoxic Swaraj. Okay. So is it clear? Everyone is able to understand? If able to understand, please put a comment. If not, then tell me, sir, not able to understand. Teach once again. I will teach. Okay. Then question number 25. Sir, when a student scored 45% marks, he is failed by 24 marks. I said a student is scoring 45% marks, but he is failed by 24. I said give him 24, no, let him pass. See, 45% he got, but he is failed by 24 marks. Give him 24 marks, man, let him pass. Okay, clear. Now, but when he scores 55% marks, then he is passed by 36 marks. But when he is getting 55 marks now, he is getting 36 marks more than the passing marks. I said remove 36 marks from him, then it will be nothing but passing marks. Now both you equate. 55 minus 45, sir, 10%. 24 plus 36 is, sir, 60. So 1% will be equal to Sir, it is 6. Then what you have to calculate, my dear friends? Sir, find the passing marks and total marks. So passing marks will be this 45% plus 24. So 45 into 6, 1% is 6. So 45% will be 45 into 6 is equals to 24, right? So this will be nothing but 6 5s are 30 and 270 plus 24, it will be nothing but 294, right? Okay. They are asking total marks. Sir, 1% is 6. So 100% will be equal to 600. Matlab 294 and 600 is the correct answer for the problem, right? Okay. A company makes a profit of 50% on its manufacturing cost when it offers a commission of 10% on selling price to the dealer. If the dealer commission is increased to 25%, what will be the profit percentage? My dear Tejashwini, next lecture 0 to hero, it will be on profit and loss. Whatever you are telling, all those questions will be taken care. Now I am unable to speak, so I am somehow continuing the session for some more time, another 5 minutes, and then we will do. So Ansi is telling, sir, आपका telegram group है, वहाँ we student together can solve doubts of each other. So that is there, but that is as a part of TCS crash course, that is for paid batch. So that's what I said. So WhatsApp group is there, Telegram group is there, so there we will be able to use it. Okay सर, एग्जाम सेंटर कहाँ होगा? बेंगलोर आ जाओ यार, मैं बेंगलोर में रहता हूँ विश्वजीत. सो जहाँ भरे होगे एग्जाम सेंटर, see whichever place you have opted for your exam center, that only you will get, right? Now question number 26, it is a question from TCS. Okay, and this particular problem is a good problem. It is based on your commission basis. Okay, seller commissions. Now let me see how many of you are able to do it. If you are able to do it, that means you are good at percentage. So I will give you 1 minute for this. Let us, your time starts now. Come on. So your time starts now. Let me see how many of. Thank you, Mahi Bhai. So a sales representative commissions is 6% on all sales up to rupees 15,000 and 5% on all sales exceeding this. He remits rupees 47,350 to his company after deducting his commission. What were the total sales? अरे AI फ्रीक क्या भाई, खा पी के आ गए क्या? This is the last question. So now I am not able to speak. So this is the last question for today. Yes bro, till now I am teaching. It's all your love and support. So definitely it is difficult to teach for so long. And that too I don't have habit. Now, so this question can be easily solved by option attack. Otherwise, trust me, it will take minimum 3 to 4 minutes, okay, to solve this. But anyway, I will tell you. Let's see. So a sales representative commission is 6% on all sales up to 15,000. So up to 15,000, his commission is 6%. And then, so whatever 15,000 plus X, on that he has a commission of 5%, right? Okay. Now, so I am taking option D, right? See, I am directly taking the answer so that I can explain you that why other answers will not be true. So suppose the total money was 50,000 rupees. So for 15,000, he got 6% commission. So 15,000, 6% will be nothing but equal to 900. Yeah, Nitu, I will, this is the last problem. Okay. And then 35,000, right? 5% he will be getting. So 35,000 into 5% will be nothing but equal to 5 5s are 25 and 15 plus 2 17. So this is the total amount. That means his commission will be 900 plus 1750, which is nothing but 2650. So total sales is 50,000, okay, and then 2,650 rupees is his commission, which will come at 47350. So basically this is your answer. Okay, now fine. So somebody thought about this option. Okay, sir, option B, should I take it or not? So definitely option B you should not take. If you are taking total sales as 47,500, right, on 15,000 only, right, so you have 900 rupees commission. So in this, if you'll subtract 900, it will be lesser than this values. So sir, option B we can't take, right? So option B we can't take because we will be having the lesser value. Now 49,000 and 50,500. See this 50,500 also if you will take, so basically 35,000, so 50,500 and minus 15,000. So it will be what? So 0055 and this will be 35,500, right? Okay. Now if you will calculate, then you will be getting more value than this, okay? And 49,000 also you can't take, right? Because you will be getting, right, the lesser value than this. So basically you will have to go with only this option. One more thing I will tell you, in exam, whenever you are trying, first try with the option where it is very easy to calculate. It will give you a idea. Even if this is not the answer, it will give you a idea that which all options can be eliminated. So when you took 50,000, right, then you can say less than 50,000 will not be your answer, or more than 50,000 you will not be the answer. So you will be able to easily decide. Okay, now if somebody takes 49,000, then you will be getting lesser value. So it will be very clear 49,000 and less than will not be the value. So you'll have to check for more value. So whenever you get this kind of question, take one option which is easy to calculate. It will give you a clear idea that which option might be your answer. Now I am done. So we have another 4 or 5 question, but now I am not able to take. So okay, so I am preparing through live classes and I have quick calculation approach. We will create a Telegram group for you guys. Okay, so we will create a Telegram group tonight. We will create a Telegram group tonight for you guys, okay, for TCS exam, and there you guys can solve the question for TCS exam 2024. So okay, so we'll create, and how should I tell you? So much grateful to have an excellent teacher like you in present generation, and thank you. Thanks Tejasri. See, it's all you guys think that. Okay, so what you do, you guys can message me on Telegram, like our official Telegram page is there, right? Thanks Tejasri from bottom of my heart. Charlie, practice करना पड़ेगा. See, you send us a message on Telegram. There I will share the new link of the group. So our official Telegram page is there. Just search online study for you on Telegram and send a message. I will create a new Telegram group. Will share with you, and we will work together. We will give the result, man. We will not leave this time. Okay, so we are not going to leave TCS. Like how we have given results in Deloitte, we will give this year also. We will not leave that. Thank you, Swaraj. Foodie World, namaste Anna, namaste. Thanks for calling me, Anna. So the effort you are putting into teaching is very appreciable, as well as I'm very happy and lucky to have. Thank you guys. So it's all your love and support. Thank you. Take care. All the very, very best. Good night. We'll see and meet tomorrow. The next session will be planned. We will inform you in advance. Thank you. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I have to restart my system because my laptop is hanged.